smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing! Daria, today we're doing something called the Strawberry River.
Yeah, Strawberry River.
And the ingredients are
strawberry yogurt, bananas and milk, whipped cream.
Okay, put in the strawberry yogurt.
Wait, with a spoon.
No, throw it back in. Come on, throw it in.
Not little more.
Okay, Daria, let's put in bananas.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, Daria, and now we'll put in some
Banana.
Some milk. Come on. Okay, I'll pour in the milk. Okay, Daria, now we have all the ingredients in. Shall we go ahead and blend it?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, now I'll pour mine. Okay, Daria?
Exactly.
Perfect. Now we're gonna do something fun.
It is whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Ready? Okay, Daria, now use the really long spoon and put in your sprinkles. Good job. Okay, Daria, now we're gonna do something even more fun. We have these cute little napkins to dress up our drinks. We're gonna put it like this.
Oh, so cute.
And like this.
That's why I don't fall.
And stick in these little balls. Now we're gonna put in some pink straws.
Pink rose.
Pink straws.
Pink rose. Oh, pink straws, pink rose.
Okay, Daria, you ready to try?
Yeah.
Come on.
It tastes delicious.
It is delicious. It tastes like a strawberry cheesecake packed in this yummy container. So you can have a lot of fun with this. You can put it in longer glasses, shorter glasses, whatever you want. You can add whipped cream, or you can do it without whipped cream and add some crushed biscuits. Decorate it any way you like because it's a plain color. We have put in these little napkins, so you can do this at birthday parties as well. Anyways, that's all the time we have for today. Do subscribe and send in your recipes if you have any for us to try. That's all for now, right, Daria?
Bye.
Bye!
Subscribe to Time Out. Are you ready to try it, Mama?
I am ready to try it, Daria.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, wow.
It's so chocolatey.